Happy Sunday. It's feeling like a really good Sunday to have anxiety for no good reason. So let's do a reset. Laundry. Dysons are the most overhyped vacuum of all time, in my opinion. I just got this Bissell Featherweight. It's $20 at Target, and it's so good for hardwood floors. With these dogs, hairballs accumulate in the matter of hours. Like, I could vacuum in the morning, and by afternoon, there will be a hairball that I see. So just having something, it's not cordless, but it's pretty easy. It's so lightweight, like it actually, I could like lift it with a finger, like literally. I'm gonna try and make a dent in organizing all of this stuff. Finally getting my closet put together 2 weeks into living here. I haven't been as motivated to figure this room out because I haven't ordered any furniture for it. And I don't think I'm going to immediately. I just feel like I've been spending so much money. I mean, 2025 was the most expensive year of my life. The wedding, this house, all the things that go into that, you know what I mean? Like with the wedding, oh, I wanna buy this white outfit, I want this, I want that, I need this, I need that. The house, you know, I did just buy like a bunch of new furniture. Cleaning is one thing. Organizing is like mentally, feels like doing a giant life puzzle, you know? It's like the universe decided to reward me for my organizing because a package just arrived at the doorstep. So we'll get to watch Cow try and bite at it. Like vicious with packages. Can't stop. Is it safe, Cow? Okay. We got a rug in the mail. It's very cute. So here is the rug. Yeah, definitely too long for this space. I think right here, we just need a little something that's that size. But this could be cute for the kitchen. I got this from Rugs USA. It's just like a taupe color, as you can see. These little blocks on it. Lily's inspecting it. I forgot to get a rug pad. It's quite slippery. Let's test it in the kitchen. I mean, this works for the space, but I feel like it's too nice to be in the kitchen. Like, I wouldn't want food accidentally getting on it. Maybe it would be good for the hallway upstairs. It's kind of too big for this space. It's not gonna work here, but it almost would be nice. It's a nice rug though. You know, I don't think it costs that much. I could replace it. No, it's like too long. It would look great in here if it were just like the normal area rug size. You can imagine, right? If this were just a 8x10, 5x8, whatever size it needs to be, it would look pretty cute here. I don't know what to do with this. I really do like it though. This is really cute. I didn't even notice the dog wrapping paper. Jason did a good job with this. Hi, what do you need? Hi. Let's try and guess what my Christmas gifts are. This is weird because I would almost think it's like golf balls. Like sleeves of golf balls, but then I hear, you can hear like some metal in there. I have no idea. No guess for that one. Let's see. Ooh, this is lightweight. I'm thinking this is definitely clothes. Probably a sweater. Ooh, this one's lightweight too. Definitely clothes. This must also be a sweater, possibly a jacket. Okay, I'm gonna guess that that one is maybe gym equipment. I want to make more of a home gym. I submitted an offer for some buyers yesterday evening and we went in lower, expecting a counter, and we just got the counter. I'm nervous. Let's see how it is. I hope it's good. Let's hope for some movement. Okay. That's some movement. 12:15 at 6 p.m. Okay, that's tomorrow. Cool. We have time to think about it. Freshly made bed. I want to get new bedding. I want to get like a creamy, almost like this color sort of duvet or something. I can't believe it. It's already 3:50. Like, it's dark. I don't feel as much better as I thought I would. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm a little scared. I hope it turns out okay. I saw on TikTok people making either a soup or a pasta sort of thing where they take bone broth and cottage cheese and put them together. And it's supposed to be pretty similar. Apparently you won't even miss the heavy cream, and it's got more protein, less fat. But I'm scared because that sounds like a vile combination, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, last night I didn't end up making that dinner because right as I started chopping kale, Jason called and was like, we are going to the Met tonight. So we went to the Met. We had a nice steak dinner with our friends. Check out this hair. Dyson Airwrap. I forgot, I don't think I mentioned you guys. I bought a Dyson Airwrap on Black Friday. I know it's such old news. I had actually bought a Dyson Airwrap for my mom many years ago. Probably, I don't know, when they only had the pink one. Nope, the purple one wasn't out yet, nothing like that. And I tried to use it. I only tried a couple times. I didn't try that hard. Couldn't figure it out. Wrote it off as like, no, I can't figure it out. And I was like, you know what? I gotta give it another chance. And I'm so happy that I got it. It's great. It makes my life so much easier. I'm very hungry, so I don't have a lot of food. And I think I'm gonna have a couple bites of cottage cheese to try and tide me over. Some people hate cottage cheese. I don't hate it. I actually think it's okay. I'm currently waiting on our table delivery, probably the item I'm most excited about for this house. Because this table that we've had for a couple of years, I've never actually liked it. It's really cheap. It's like a cheap fake faux marble veneer, which I don't like. I used it as staging furniture originally, and then when we moved back from Palm Springs, we didn't have furniture. We were just scraping together what we had. And I just had this in the garage and was like, let's just put it there for now. And then never switched it out until now. So as you can see, as someone so rudely commented, this isn't that big of a space. Someone was like so offended I would buy a house with a kitchen and a dining and a living room all in one space. Well, I don't know what city you live in, but in Seattle, you don't get a lot of space for your money. So essentially we have enough space. We measured out, we have enough space for a 60-inch table. And if you know anything about 60-inch tables, they're usually not rectangular. At like every big box store, the minimum's like 70 inches, 82 inches, and that'd be just too big for the space. I could not for the life of me find a 60-inch rectangular table, but that's all we wanted. We did not want circle. And then I finally found a compromise. I found an oval table that was 60 inches from Room and Board. I like it, but it's also quite expensive. It was like $2,800. I was like, that's crazy. And honestly, right as I was about to order it, and I thought I exhausted all my options, I found the table. I found a 60-inch white oak, super cute rectangular table, and it was $800. A lot better. But I'll have it linked below. If you live in like an apartment, smaller space, it's a really cute table. Okay. Woo! Comes in a box. Not sponsored. My first piece from Castlery. I'm so pleased that there is not styrofoam. One of these. These are very heavy. Feels very sturdy. Here's a leg. Let you guys see. Nice white oak look to it. Very pleased that it has the Allen wrench. Now for the moment of truth. Can I lift this thing by myself? I feel like I can. I don't know if I can do it without scratching the floors. Okay. I'm doing it! Boom. I ordered new chairs, but those haven't come yet. What do you guys think? I really like it. We could have gone a little larger, I'm sure, but I don't know, it's better to go smaller than larger, I think. Like, we already have the giant couch. There is just something so nice about a rectangular table. The circle one, look, it looked good in the space, and the stagers did that too. Rectangular dining tables, you can really just get so much more comfortable. You know, you can really put your arms down. Like, I could work from here if I want. Even if a circle might have looked better, and just the functionality of the rectangle. Like, we never would even sit and eat dinner at that thing. We just did not like sitting at a circular table. Does anyone feel that way? Also, we did order new dining chairs as well, but those have not come yet. Now I'm on the search for a vase. A vase where I can put some flowers in. At the old house, uploading a vlog for you guys because we still don't have Wi-Fi. December 15th, still don't have it. But our Starlink modem came last night. So when Jason gets home from work, which is a funny sentence to say, when Jason gets home from work, because he has worked remotely for the entirety of me knowing him. And he can go into the office if he wants. He's been doing it a little more lately, and his role probably eventually will change where he does need to go in. What do you guys think of this light? I mean, we need to get the knot out of it, but I kind of think I would like this light at our new house, just like swap them out. But I do like that other light. I have a feeling you guys are gonna go, oh, but I like the other light. But this light is such a classic light. It's a classic mid-century modern design. Like, if you know, you know. It's classy. It's timeless. It's a beautiful light. This is gonna be this week's big project. We gotta get rid of all of this. All this. This is my staging furniture. I want to keep it because it is very helpful in real estate. Like, I just had staged a home. It sold. I owned the furniture. I didn't have to pay out of pocket. Saved the seller money too, you know? But I gotta get a storage unit. I have these like really cheap bed frames from Amazon. They're really easy to put together. I use them for staging. I am so sick of sleeping on the floor. I'm just gonna use it in my... Also, something crazy with all of this wind. So we have this giant birch tree in the old backyard. For the longest time, I was always hearing a creaking noise, and I knew it was a tree branch that was eventually gonna fall one of these days. And look, there it finally fell. That's a pretty hefty tree branch. Like, if that hit you, you know, flying down, hit you in the head, like, that would hurt. Honestly, my engineering for this, you guys, I put dog beds right there to protect the wall because obviously I'm just like pushing all my force this way. We desperately need a better bedding setup. This is sad looking. To be elevated. Oh, it's so much better. I feel like I'll actually sleep okay tonight. Sleeping on the floor is just not good. Jason is out walking the dogs. I'm gonna make us dinner. I'm gonna attempt to do this bone broth cottage cheese thing. It's happening. See how this goes. Actually, maybe it won't be. I didn't quite get the, you know, pasta ratio right, but this is actually looking pretty good if there was more sauce. Jason's eating it, and he said he likes it.
It's good. Is this like just like a broth sauce, or like what is the sauce?
Yeah, it's I think it tastes good.
It tastes good. Could maybe use a little heavy cream, just because the sauce is so wet.
Okay, today is just another house arrest day. Just waiting for another furniture delivery. Yesterday's at least gave me like a 3-hour window. Today's window is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I am just on house duty. Our next victim in the house is this chair. We actually do like this chair, but it has an issue. You put it one way and it doesn't stay. And that bothers me. So we're gonna keep it. We're gonna put it somewhere else in the house because it's a great chair. I actually got this on Facebook Marketplace, at least 6, maybe almost 7 years ago now. It'll go in like Jason's office or my office, somewhere. The new chair we're getting doesn't swivel. All right, here it is. It's so low to the ground. I don't know if you can tell in the video. It kind of shocked me. Guys, it's 2 p.m. It's so dark.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so long story short, no, we don't have Wi-Fi yet. You guys were very helpful.
Oh,
Looks good.
do you like it or not?
I do
You
like
can be honest.
I like it.
Okay, I thought you wouldn't.
Wow, I love that chair.
Yeah.
But we can put that chair elsewhere.
Jason's on the last bit of painting. Thank goodness my back is actually really starting to hurt.
My hand is cramping.
Is it?
Yeah.
All painted, new carpet goes in tomorrow. And then I just have to get all my stuff out of the garage and then a cleaning, and then this is gonna be ready for our new renters going in. Honestly, I'm too embarrassed to have shown you a true before. We're not disgusting, our dogs are. They get the bottom of the walls so dirty and gross. I mean, here's a little like example. Like we still need to clean off the doors, but that level of gross was just all over the walls. Tonight, try another TikTok recipe. They call it chili. I hate chili. I'm not gonna call it chili. I'm gonna call it like a tortilla soup sort of thing. I'm gonna try boiling chicken for the first time because I've heard that's the best thing to do to shred it. Don't knock it till you try it, truly. I think I did better than yesterday. Good chat. I really like it.
Good. I love it. I love this new You're Cooking Dinner trend.
It's fun. I'm having fun. This is the best thing winter could have done to me, really.
Let's go.
Like, it's like giving me sanity when it's dark at 4 p.m. Seriously. Much needed sunny morning. I must say, I can predict the weather now in this house. In the middle of the night, I woke up and I saw condensation on the windows and I went, oh, it's gonna be sunny in the morning. There's not really condensation on the windows. There's just Sheltie nose prints that I gotta clean up. Good morning. Here's the chair with a sunny morning. Anytime I get a new piece of furniture, I have to be skeptical about it first. Make sure I made a good choice. I do. I like this chair. I am happy with it now that I've settled into it. Lulu and Georgia, once again, I really like a lot of the stuff they have. Adding this spread, no sugar added strawberry spread. Lately I've been craving just like sweeter breakfasts. I decided to go with the strawberry jam instead of real strawberries because I did an online grocery order yesterday and a carton of strawberries was $10. And I was like, no, I'm not doing it. Painting last night was so much fun, you guys. I feel like it was one of those little activities that one day when me and Jason are old, we're gonna be like, we used to paint the rental ourselves. Jason was also like, let's just pay to have it painted. But every once in a while, I love a manual labor task. I feel very accomplished doing it, you know? It's kind of fun. And honestly, we saved money. We had to have at least saved $1,500, maybe $2,000. I'm sure getting a quote to have that whole thing painted would have been about that, at least. And it's like, sure, oh, our time is worth more, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, sometimes that logic is a little flawed because last night, on that rainy night from 4 to 8, that we painted, I wasn't gonna be using my time to make money and do things. I was gonna be reading Harry Potter, browsing the internet, scrolling on TikTok. You know, so sometimes I don't apply that logic. And now I'm trying to girl math it to him that we should spend more money on Christmas gifts for each other because of all that money we saved. I'm loving the Dyson Airwrap. This is day 3 hair because I'm just kind of scrubbing it today, doing moving activities. And I brushed it out and I just touched it up for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is all it took today to get it looking like this. Can we just take a moment for how obsessed I am with this bathroom? That natural light, the finishes, it makes me so happy.